Welcome back to my channel, guys. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria, and thank you so much for clicking. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe because it's absolutely free of charge. Free to do that. Okay, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to wash and revive your synthetic wig. And this is my synthetic wig right here. This is my baby, which has been serving me for the longest time. I think I was given by my sister for like 4 years ago. It was a present and I really treasure it so much, but now it's getting older and older and older. But hey yo, I'm still using it. So I'm going to be showing you how I revive this wig, synthetic wig, how I have been reviving it, because has been my one and only synthetic wig that I've been having. And yeah, it's pretty much long, as you can see. It's much longer, it's wavy as well, tangled, as you can see. And I was actually pretty much trying to comb on the lace part of it, and this is the match here that I've lost. Oh my god, this wig is it's getting old. So if you see your wig shedding this much, I mean I expected the whole wig to say oh my god, wow, the whole wig to shed this much, but it actually shed this part, shed this much. So I was scared to actually comb the rest of it, but hey yo, we're still gonna comb it, but after we wash it. Okay, so as you can see, the lace, the lace front of it, you can see that's where I've combed it, and then this other part is the sewed part, and it's kind of tangled, and yes. So let's go ahead and wash it. And just in case you want to buy some chain, this chain I got it from beads underscore KE. I'll leave the link here on Instagram. You can go ahead and DM them. And also I got my bracelet right there, custom made for me. And I also have something here, some accessories, hair accessories, they also have it, and many other things. So go check it out right here, right there. Okay, and also follow me on Instagram at Victoria_Maingi. See how I look pretty right there. So let's go ahead and wash my synthetic hair. So guys, starting with, we are going to be checking our water, because we want warm water, and we are going to be using this Cosmo coconut milk shampoo. That's the shampoo that I basically use with my natural hair as well, and all my wigs, whether synthetic or whether human hair. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of it on my hands, and then smearing it all around the hair. And as you can see, the hair is absolutely very dirty. So with the first wash, it won't be able to really remove anything. And yeah, so basically that's what I did for the first wash. And this one is the second wash. Just do the same, and that's why I kind of fastened the video up, because I don't want you guys to get bored, and at the same time I want you guys to see the whole procedure, what I'm doing. So as you can see, with the second wash, it really did marvelous. And I changed my water from the tap water to this other water, because the tap water was not that hot, that warm, what I needed, because washing all hair
I mean, even my natural hair, I wash it with warm water. So that's what I also use with the synthetic hair, to just not make it tangle that much, and to make the oils that is in the wig come off, all of it. So you're going to be washing that cap very neatly, the wig cap, so that it gets clean, because that's the part that is going to be going on your head. So you really have to make sure that the hair is absolutely clean and the cap is clean and clean as well. So right there, I'm just rinsing it up and squeezing it. Can you see, guys, that tactic? So the hair is clean already. I'm going to be hanging it right there on my door. I'll leave it there for the whole night to air dry. I didn't have I was not hurrying for this, so yeah, I just give it time, and you can see the ends are super amazing, and I've really not done anything to it, just washing it as you saw and just hanging it right there. I'm going to be going ahead and combing it now.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's day 2 of me showing you how I revived my old synthetic wigs. And pretty much I left you yesterday hanging, not you guys, I left the wig hanging to air dry. So that's all I did yesterday. And on today's video, I'm showing you how I now maintain it, and the oils that I use and all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for reaching here. And say, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, because it's absolutely free to do that. And then give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below as well. So in the morning, I just woke up. I pretty much did nothing. I just took a comb, and this is the comb that I was using. So this comb, if you want this comb, I got it from Best Lady for I think 30 shillings, 30 Kenya shillings. So that's how it looks. And this detangling comb, like, it really helps me even with my natural hair, so that's why I prefer this. It really looks small, but it really helps me a lot, because even the plates are so, you see, yeah, so soft. And this is the much that the hair shed. Oh my god, this is a lot for the wig, because you know the wigs do not grow, so this is pretty much damaged hair. But anyway, this wig is almost to tell me goodbye, but anyway, it has really served me for the longest time. And let me show you guys now how it looks. So that's how it looks. There's nothing I've added onto it, no oil, no nothing. I just combed it with nothing, because you know, synthetic hair, once you comb it, it really takes a lot of time when you comb it. So that's why I had to do it off camera. So I combed it already, and this is how it looks. Look how, oh my god, this wig. So that's how it looks, and that's the front part as well. You can see, super clean. And so let me show you the oils that I use. They have not paid me anything, just a disclaimer. I'm not paid to promote these two things, but they really help me a lot, even with my natural hair, because these are the two things that I use. Not to okay, this is the conditioner, the treatment, and also the shampoo that I showed you when I was washing the wig. Those are the 3 things that I use on my natural hair as well. It really helps me, because I don't have to also go ahead and buy other oils to do my hair. So I pretty much use the same oil to my wigs and my natural hair, whether synthetic, whether human, and whether my natural hair as well. So yeah, so this is the coconut oil that I use. So that's it. and this is the conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and this is the treatment. I pretty much don't like the smell of this, but anyway, it still does its work. And yeah, these two are miracle or heaven to me. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I do it with my synthetic wig to just retain the curls, because as you can see, this is not a really straight wig. It's kind of wavy. So once I spray this and I do the thing, and it will definitely bring the curls back. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you guys what I do. So shh. So guys, that's pretty much it, and you can see the ends are more defined as well. Look at that, and the curls have now started appearing. Look at that, and that's how it looks, the front part. So yeah, I hope you like it. I hope it has helped you. So that's the wig. That's how it looks. I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please give it a like, share, and subscribe as well, because it's absolutely free of charge. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next one, guys. Oh my god, I love you. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Look at the edges. Like, it really looks like a human hair right now. Let me show you a pretty much human hair. Look at that. That's a human hair, but it's more like, so you see the ends look like human hair now, but this one is a synthetic, this is a human hair. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. So that's how it looks. Yeah. Bye guys. Mwah. Love you so much. Me and my baby kissing you. Thank you. All right, bye.